Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Habang papalapit ang preliminary competition at ang closed door interview ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026 ay lalo pang umiinit ang laban ng mga kandidata. Buo ang kumpiyansa ng kampo ng pambato ng La Union na si Bea Milian Wenderski na maiuuwi niya ang corona. Sa mga panayam na mapapanood, makikita natin kung gaano siya kapulido, kasincere at kaeleganteng sumagot, mga katangiang tunay na hinahanap sa isang reyna. Panoorin natin kung paano niya pinatunayan na hindi lang siya basta maganda, kundi may lalim, talino at puso para sa corona. Let's watch this.
Why should you be our next Miss Universe Philippines?
I hope to be your next Miss Universe Philippines because I'm so proud to be a Filipina and have been ever since I was a child. Growing up in the United States, I always identified as a Filipina American and felt a sense of belonging and community in my Filipina identity. So I promise to use this title to empower Filipino women not only in our country but all across the diaspora. And regardless of if I win a crown or not, I am very committed to advocacy, and I really hope to use this as a launching pad to expand social issues that I care about, to include those of OFW rights and those in the LGBTQIA community. And I'm so excited to not only take on the Philippine stage, but also the universe.
Oh my God.
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at mga bagong updates.